In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code for your Surveymonkey survey, which is a fantastic way to make your surveys more accessible to your audience. Whether you're gathering feedback at events or simply want to provide an easy way for people to access your survey from printed material, QR codes can be incredibly handy. Let's start with the process directly within Surveymonkey, which is available for those on paid plans. First, you'll want to log into your Surveymonkey account and open the specific survey you are working with. Once you have your survey open, navigate to the Collect Responses tab. In this section, you'll either create a new web link collector or select one if you've already got it set up. You can do this by clicking Collectors, then Add New, and choosing Web Link. A useful tip here is to customize the URL ending. By making it recognizable, it can be easier for you to manage and for respondents to remember. Now, to download your QR code, look for the Download QR Code button that's conveniently located below your survey link. Once you click it, Surveymonkey will download a 256 by 256 pixel PNG file. This file is usually named something like qrcode_.png, making it easy to identify. If you don't see the option to download, check within the link settings of the web link collector, as availability can vary depending on your plan. Let's take a moment to discuss why using QR codes is so beneficial. They allow you to share your survey instantly via printed materials. Customers can simply scan the code with their phones for quick access. This feature works seamlessly even if you make edits to your survey later on. It's perfect for obtaining event feedback, integrating into receipts, menus or posters, or for any offline to online interactions. However, keep in mind that Surveymonkey doesn't track which scans occurred, just the responses per collector. So while you can see the quantity of responses, the specific scan activity isn't tracked. If QR code generation isn't available under your plan, or if you prefer a branded or higher resolution version, there are some fantastic free alternatives. First, copy your survey's web link URL from Surveymonkey. Then, visit a free QR code generator such as QR Code Monkey or the QR Code Generator. Paste your URL into the generator, then proceed to generate and, if you'd like, customize the appearance of your QR code. Finally, download your QR code in your preferred format, be it PNG, SVG, or PDF. And there you have it. A simple, detailed guide on generating QR codes for your Surveymonkey survey that can enhance your data collection and engage your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!